Hey, what's up? I'm David. Welcome on David Suggest. Before watching this product, don't forget to subscribe and tick the bell for not missing new video. So now, let's watch.
Laptop backpack, business travel anti-theft, slim durable laptops backpack with USB charging port, water resistant college school computer bag for women and men, fits 15.6-inch laptop and notebook, black. Storage space and pockets, one separate laptop compartment hold 6-inch laptop as well as 15-inch, 14-inch and 13-inch MacBook laptop. One spacious packing compartment, roomy for iPad, mouse, charger, binders, books, clothes, act. Mesh pockets at side for water bottle and compact umbrella make your items organized and easier to find. Comfy, sturdy, comfortable airflow back design with thick but soft multi-panel ventilated padding gives you maximum back support. Breathable and adjustable shoulder straps relieve the stress of shoulder. Foam padded top handle for a long time carry-on. Functional safe, a luggage strap allows backpack fit on luggage suitcase, slide over the luggage upright handle tube for easier carrying. With a hidden anti-theft pocket on the back, protect your valuable items from thieves, making your journey and traveling more convenient wherever you go. Bus port design, with built-in USB charger outside and built-in charging cable inside, this USB backpack offers you a more convenient way to charge your phone while walking. Headphone jack, you can listen to your favorite music on the go hands-free. Durable material, solid, made of water-resistant and durable polyester fabric with metal zippers. Ensure a secure and long-lasting usage every day and weekend. Serve you well as professional office work bag, slim USB charging backpack, perfect for business traveling, weekend getaways, shopping and outdoor activities in daily life. Good gift for college, high school, big student for boys, girls, teens, adults. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.
So, thanks for watching. If you want more information about this product, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.